Dear students, today I'll discuss with you the lesson from supplementary reader, that is on the face of it. The lesson is included in your syllabus and I will discuss the summary of this lesson today. First of all in English, and after that in Assamese I will describe the summary of this lesson. So I am going to start with the two characters. First, you can say first character, that is a boy whose name is Derry. Derry, a boy, a small boy, a teenage, one character, and another character is Mr. Lamb. So they are physically handicapped or physically challenged, you can say, because Derry, the teenage boy who has a burned face, one side of his face is burned by acid, by falling acid on her face, and another character is Mr. Lamb who has a tin leg. His leg is artificial, one leg of Mr. Lamb was artificial, that is of tin. He was a soldier and he fought a war against enemies, and in that war his leg was blown off. So Mr. Lamb has a tin leg and Derry, the teenage boy who has a burned face of one side. So this is the character introduction. Next step, I am going to describe the summary of this lesson on the face of it. First of all, the story begins with a teenage boy entering a garden. Teenage boy, that is Derry. That means the story begins with entering a garden by Derry. As I told you, his face was burnt on one side due to an accident when acid fell on half of his face. He has entered the garden of Mr. Lamb to hide himself, as he is afraid of people. That means Derry is afraid of people, Derry is afraid of facing people. He fears, why he fears? He fears being teased by others for having such a face. He thought that people will tease me, I have a burned face, so he feared of facing people. But when he enters, he finds someone inside the garden, that is Mr. Lamb, the owner of the garden. He tries to leave the place but stopped by Mr. Lamb. While he saw Mr. Lamb, he wanted to leave the place because he wanted isolation. Because of that, he enters the garden. He could not see anyone in the garden while he entered, but entering the garden he saw Mr. Lamb is already there, so he wanted to leave the place, and he also felt guilty for entering the garden without permission. But Mr. Lamb welcomes him and tells him not to leave just because of his presence. Mr. Lamb, who was a friendly person, who was a amiable person, who was a frank person. So he asked Derry not to leave the place just because of his presence. Derry wants to leave as he thinks people don't like his face, and moreover they get afraid of his looks, as I already told you. But Mr. Lamb insists him to stay there. Mr. Lamb forced Derry to stop, not to go. Then they enter into a conversation that how Derry is not liked by anyone and how he hates people behaving like this with him. Mr. Lamb tries to console him. That means Derry explains to Mr. Lamb why he is afraid of people. But finally, Mr. Lamb consoles him and tells him that he is a thin leg and kids make fun of him, and also told Mr. Derry that I have a thin leg. Mr. Lamb is saying, I have a thin leg, see, I have a thin legs, and kids used to, the children or the kids used to tease me because of my thin leg, but it's okay, I have no problem with that. I'm fine in my position. I don't feel sad. So he tries to console, Mr. Lamb tries to console this way to Derry, and also told him that still he is not depressed and enjoy his life. Though people used to tease him, he is not depressed and enjoys his life. After that, they both talk about various things, and this leads to a revelation of Derry's fear, depression and hatred about his being in such condition. After that, they enter into a conversation and Derry explains everything, why he hates people, all these things. But Mr. Lamb keeps on telling him to think of the positive things. So Mr. Lamb tries to teach him the lesson of positivity, to avoid the negative sense, negative mind in life. He tries to make him positive minded. Mr. Lamb tries to make Derry positive minded, not to be negative minded, not to be negative senses. Don't think what people are saying about you. Just enjoy yourself, enjoy your life. Whatever you have, that is yours, not others. So all these things Mr. Lamb tries to teach him. Soon they become friends. That means Derry and Mr. Lamb became friends. Mr. Lamb asked him to help him in plucking the crab apples of his garden. Mr. Lamb, who is the garden, or who was the owner of the garden, asked the help of Derry to pluck, or for plucking the crab apples from the tree. But at that moment, Derry tells that I left home many hours ago without my mother's permission. I need to go home now and ask the permission of my mother. First, Mr. Lamb tells him not to go because his mother will not allow him to come back. But Derry insists and tells him that he will come back. And he committed, or he promised, Derry promised to come back again to his garden and help him for plucking the crab apples. Then Mr. Lamb allows him to go for asking the permission of his mother. Then Derry went to his home and tells everything to his mother and asks her permission to come back to, or go back to Mr. Lamb. But her mother denied the permission and asked him not to go to Mr. Lamb. or to Mr. Lamb's garden. But finally, Derry go back to Mr. Lamb's garden. Before that, Mr. Lamb thought that Derry will not come back, and he was trying to pluck the crab apples with the help of a ladder. Ladder, you know, ladder, I will tell you in Assamese explanation. With the help of a ladder, but he falls down from the ladder on the ground. At that moment, Derry enters the garden again and saw that Mr. Lamb was lying on the ground. He tries to wake him up, but Mr. Lamb did not move. Finally, Derry consoles himself that Mr. Lamb is no more, he is dead. And he began crying. Derry began crying. With this scene, the story ends, and thank you for watching the video. I hope it will help you.